Hi everyone, we are just beginning up with the conference in 1 minute from now. I would request all the participants to join in here to begin up with the conference. Thank you. I would request my backstage team to drive in people and participants here, and we'll be beginning up with the welcome remarks. We are just beginning up in 1 minute from now. I would request all the participants to join in here for the welcome remarks. I would request all the participants from the networking to join here for the welcome remarks. I would like to again request to all the participants to join in here for the welcome remarks. All right, so let's get it going. Hi everyone. I would say good morning in US and it's good evening in India and most probably it's good afternoon in UK, Europe, Middle East. So hi everyone. I'm Mitali Batra, Vice President with the conference Gorilla. Welcome you to the IPR Gorilla Virtual IP conference happening today at Eastern Standard Time Zone. So it is good to have people, gathering from different and diverse regions every time. And here we are back again. So now we are coming up in the conference related to a new theme that is, predicting the IP developments in 2022. If I talk about the trends that are coming up actually in intellectual property, there would be, the further controversy over IP law interpretation. And of course, unified patent code is set to arrive, which we already discussed in our conference yesterday itself. And the ongoing impact of COVID-19 still goes. And if I talk about AI technology, it is still empowering intellectual property. Apart from that, metaverse and NFT are the need of the hour, and we are also discussing about it in the conference yesterday. So let's move forward, and we can just begin up, giving a thanks to our all the sponsors and partners. So if I talk about the sponsors partners who have contributed in the conference today, I would like to thank Italy IP partner Jacobecchi, Evocati Avocads Avocados, India IP law firm partner Lexorbis Intellectual Property Attorneys, Reception banner sponsor Pergament and Sapera. I'm sure you got the chance to connect with them at the reception. Virtual platform sponsor Decoitus, Fitzpatrick, Cole and Giblin. They are, the virtual platform sponsors. So when you have entered the conference and did your registration, I'm sure you have added the password. And the session sponsor Intermitent. Apart from that, we also have our associate partners. I would like to thank IP March, Kennedy Leonard Spraggins. We have our sorry, 1 second. Sorry. So Kennedy Leonard Spraggins, Merchant and Gold, Finnegan, Denemer IP Consulting, KD and Associates, Field Fisher, Ecume Barristers and Solicitors. Apart from that, our past partners and media partners. So thankful to everyone for contributing in the eye to the lane and giving some kind of a flashback to our last conference. Today's conference, the IPR Gorilla happening at Eastern Standard Time Zone.
Within the decade. So, which also indicates that the entire regulatory framework is going through a major change.
The future of brands is in the digital environment. We have to think ahead on how we can, as trademark owners and
my name is Avogesh Puri. I'm a partner with the Flex Workspace.
What the enhance and innovation what we are using during this COVID days?
Hi, Steve Efficiency is a dependent what I've incorporated.
South African lawyer, extensive experience, property management, propertization, personalization.
My name is Ryan Schneer. My name is Ryan Schneer. My name is Ryan Schneer. I'm the founder of Schneer IP Law. Law firm here.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I'm extremely honored to be receiving this award. I'm very grateful to the IPR Gorillas Conference for the recognition I have received for my work. The IPR Gorillas Conference has been an amazing experience. Congratulations all of those involved in the organization.
And I'm so grateful. It is so much for this honor today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the honor from this
I think first of all I like to congratulate.
So thank you to all the speakers. Participants, and I would say awardees and sponsors who have joined us today and contributed to the conference.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, so thank you to all the people who have joined in our last conference. And of course, in today's conference, we are looking forward to see many more new faces and also some of the old faces who have been a part of our previous conferences. So looking forward to see you all in one-on-one introduction, which is beginning up now. So see that who has come from where. So bye from here and see you all there. Thank you. Everyone to join in here. So firstly, I would like to invite Lakshika Joshi, the advisory member with the IPR Gorilla, to join the stage so that we can begin up with the award ceremony. So Lakshika, if you can join in here, if you're listening to me, kindly ask for the approval and share your audio and video and be a part of the stage. Just waiting for you. In the meanwhile, let me do my things. One second. Hi Lakshika, if you can join in here. I'm just waiting for you. All right, so kindly refresh your page and join back, Lakshika. In the meanwhile, I would request all the awardees to join in here. So Lakshika, if you can rejoin again very quickly. So my backstage team, if you can assist Lakshika to join in. Lakshika, all right.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me? All right. So let me open the presentation and then you can read it out from there. All right. So 1 second. So I welcome everyone to the award distribution 1 that is happening now at the IPR Gorilla. 1 second. So Lakshika is the advisory member with the IPR Gorilla. So I welcome her to the stage and we will start off with you now. All right, so let's So over to you, Lakshika.
Thank you. Thanks, Sonia. Thank you, IPR Gorilla. So we've got the top emerging IP player. It is Amar Eldakak. Congratulations. Many and heartiest congratulations to you. A big clap and shout out to you.
Congratulations, Summer. So if you're available here, let me check. And he's a patent agent with Clyde & Co. 1 second. Okay, Amar, if you're available here, kindly join in here. Okay, let's move ahead to the other people.
The next one that we have in the top emerging IP player category is Dr. Debjani Banerjee. Congratulations, Debjani.
Congratulations, Dr. Debjani. She's a senior manager with Sun Pharma. So congratulations. So if you are here, kindly join in, Debjani. I can't see you. So kindly share your audio and video. All right, so let's move ahead.
The next one as our top emerging IP player is Sudhir Ramchandra Kale. Congratulations, Sudhir.
Congratulations, Sudhir. He's a global IP counsel with BASF Chemicals India Private Limited. Many congratulations. So if you are available here, kindly join in here. Okay, Sudhir is here. Sudhir, kindly join in here. I've already given the approval. So Priksha, if you can join in here because I'm unable to approve them. So if you can join in here and approve them. So Priksha, if you can approve Sudhir.
So just for some of the queries that are coming up on the chat, I tried refreshing the page and joining in, but I couldn't. So I joined in, I logged in all over again, and that was helpful. I was able to access the audio and the audio visual.
So Priksha, if you can approve Sudhir, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Mitali, I'm able to hear you, but Sudhir's request is not listed in our moderation sector.
But I can see Sudhir, but I'm not able to because I am just putting up the plus sign here, but he's not able to join in. So Sudhir, can you please join back again? All right. So if kindly wait here, Priksha, if I face any issue, so you can
Sure.
do that. All right. So let's move ahead in the meanwhile.
All right, the next one in the top emerging IP player category is Yusra Yusuf Muhammad. Congratulations, Yusra.
Priksha, if you can authorize Yusra.
Yes, I have already given the approval. Yusra, please refresh your page and join again.
Hello, can you see me?
Hello.
Hello again, everyone.
Congratulations, Yusra.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Can I say a short word?
Yes, absolutely.
I would like to thank the award committee. I really feel privileged and special to be held in high regard within the IP community and be recognized within the IP community. And I would like to say also a few thank yous. First of all, I thank Allah, the most gracious, for this wonderful journey. I would like to thank my mentor in life, my mother. I would like to thank my #1 legal encyclopedia and my #1 law professor, my father, Yusuf Badeh. My ever supporter, my brother, Omar Badeh, who also happens to be a legal professional. My friends and my colleagues and everyone who helped me achieve this and whatever I am yet to achieve. And last but not least, Dr. Abdullah Idris, who is my mentor for legal entrepreneurship. Once again, thank you to the award committee and IP Gorilla, and thank you for giving me the time to speak. And have a lovely evening, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Heartiest congratulations again, Yusra, and good to have you here. So kindly be here. So moving forward to the next set of awards.
All right, so the next in the category of top emerging IP player is Lemise Bejunat. Lemise, heartiest congratulations to you. I don't know if you're online, but many more your way.
So Lemise, she's a senior associate with Dr. Kaiser H. Mitavia Law Firm. So can we be here and join in here, Lemise? So if you are here, kindly share audio and video because I just saw you on the chat. So please join in here. Priksha, if you can give the authorization.
Yes, I have given the authorization. She just needs to refresh the page and join in.
So Lemise, if you can refresh the page and join in. Okay, Muj, we're just checking out the issue because it never happened. So let me check that internally, that what's the problem. So let's move ahead. In the meanwhile, Lemise can join, so we can move ahead.
The next one in the category we have is Dhwani Rao. Congratulations, Dhwani.
Dhwani Rao, she's a head legal counsel with Nestle India Limited. Many congratulations, Dhwani. So if you are here, kindly join in here. So can you see Dhwani, Preksha?
No, Dhwani is not here in the approval section.
Okay, all right. Let's move ahead.
The next one in the top in-house IP lawyer category is Muj, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. Muj Bulat. Congratulations to you. I can see that you're online. Hopefully you'll come and speak a few words.
She's the head of legal with Domino's Turkey. So Preksha, if you can give her the authorization.
Yes, I've authorized it. She needs to join in here just.
So Muj, try if you can join in here. Okay, she's here.
Hi, thank you. I tried many times. Thank you very much for this great award. I'm very happy to be here. And I congratulate all other lawyers. Many thanks for this organization.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So
And
how
many
it
more to
feels
go.
to be the recipient of the award, Muj?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
The next one we have in the top in-house IP lawyer category is Sandeep Chaudhary. Sandeep, congratulations to you.
He's a group junior counsel with HCC Limited. So Sandeep, if you are here, kindly join in. Congratulations, Sandeep. Can you see Preksha?
No, Sandeep is not here.
All right.
Okay. So we've got the top IP leader, and that is Arunava Mukherjee. Many congratulations to you, Arunava.
So he's a co-founder with A. Mukherjee and Company, advocates patent and trademark attorneys. Many congratulations, Arunava. I think you are here. Preksha, if you can give the authorization.
I have given the authorization.
Thank you. So Arunava, if you can join in here. So Lemis, she's still working out for the approval. So Lemis, if you can refresh your page, it would be great to have you because everyone is able to join in. Even the mute has been able to join in. So Preksha, is Arun joining in?
Already given the approval.
Okay. Okay, let's move ahead in the meanwhile.
All right. The next top IP leader is Mohammed S.
Okay, Arun is already here.
Okay. Arunava, the floor is yours.
I'm
Congratulations.
extremely happy to receive this award, and I'm grateful to being recognized. And I intend to live up to the level of success this award demands. And my grateful respects to the selectors, to my parents, and to my seniors from whom I have learned the practice and the laws. And thank you once again, all of you, for selecting me for this award. And hope to receive more awards in near future for my good work.
All the very best to you, and many more to go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arun.
Thank you.
The next one in the category of top IP leaders is Mohammed S. Shakra. Congratulations, Mohammed. You'd like to say a few words?
Thank you so much. For sure, thank you for this nice gesture. And yes, from time to time we love to receive recognition. It's not a very bad idea for sure. So I just want to add something like for the whole IP community, we really do a fantastic job to the communities, to the countries, to the brands we protect. So very nice meeting you all. It was nice to catch up, and I really thank everybody who is behind this event, and to the committee who selected some of us, and I wish best of luck to everybody. Thank you so much.
Good luck to you. Congratulations again.
Congratulations again, Mohammed. So we have Lamis over joining in here. So here, Lamis, if you can hear us.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes,
absolutely.
First of all, sorry about the technical glitch. I just wanted to thank you and the award committee for granting me this award. I'm honored and humbled by this award since it's an honor to be chosen in a specialized global conference such as this one, and to be nominated and chosen as a winner by role models and leaders in the IPR field. IP, I'm sure I'm speaking for everyone here, is a passion, and it's such a joy to share that passion and discuss topics with other experts who share the passion with us. But it's also a greater honor to also be awarded as part of this event. So thank you so much for this honor. Of course, they're not here, but we have to say thank you to all mentors and everyone that supported this amazing journey in this field. Thank you to IPR Gorilla for the organization and follow-up and impressive use of technology to make this conference a very unique experience and give us the opportunity to interact and be very active members of this conference despite the remote way that we are joining this time. And thanks to all the speakers and the attendees and everyone who congratulated me in the chat. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank
all
you
the
so
very
much.
best to you, Lamis.
All the best, Lamis. All right, let's move ahead.
The next category is Top IP Managing Partner, and we have Denise Merve. Denise, if you're online, well, I can see you there. Congratulations to you, and we'd like to hear from you.
Congratulations, Denise.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to the IPR Gorilla and Conference Gorilla event organization team for inviting me to such a wonderful seminar full of with experienced lawyers and trademark attorneys from all around the world. And the topics which are highly controversial nowadays, it was fantastic to listen my esteemed colleagues' opinions on NFTs and metaverse today. Secondly, I would like to thank them again for selecting me as one of the top IP managing partners. It has been 15 years since I joined to the IP community. I worked on every aspect of IP, from the prosecution till the complex litigations and also enforcement, trademarks, designs, copyright. And I enjoyed to work on this challenging part of law. But the best part of my working life was always working with young practitioners who have brightest and freshest minds, and I always admired their point of view, and I tried not to leave this approach behind in spite of the years and the business. Therefore, by being a managing partner, along with working with my own young and energetic team on my clients' cases, I regularly attend to seminars at the universities to create awareness on IP law for the law students, and also at the associations and clubs for the entrepreneurs to show them the importance of IP rights for the companies, especially for the startups. So I always believed and still believe that IP rights are very important and will be more important in the future than now. Therefore, I will keep being a part of the IP community and share my experience and knowledge with the young practitioners. Thank you.
And we'll keep looking forward to that, Denise. So all the very best to you.
All the best, Dennis. Congratulations again. So moving forward very quickly.
Okay, we have the women in IP, and here we have Dipali Paul as she's a partner.
Founder with IP Brick Layer.
Dipali, congratulations, and we would like to hear from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, IP Gorilla, for choosing me for this award. This is really amazing. Being recognized by your peer is always wonderful, and it gives a real boost for working ahead wonderfully in this field. I thank each one of you for choosing this field and making it a wonderful vocation by giving it your best. It has been 11 years that I have been dwelling with creativity and IP, and have been a part of a lot of success businesses based on IP. Being located in Ahmedabad, which is a hub of businesses and entrepreneurs in India, I have been lucky to to assist a lot of businesses which were actually based on uniqueness, and it was great to be a IP pillar to those businesses. And thank you so much, IP Gorilla, for recognizing those efforts from my side to make those journeys beautiful. Thank you so much.
All the very best, Dipali, and many
Thank you,
more
sir.
to go.
Congratulations, Dipali.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's move ahead.
Okay, the next woman in IP is Komal Sharma Talwar. Komal, congratulations to you.
Hey, this is Sameer. I'm taking this award on behalf of Komal here. She's traveling, so I'll be just taking the award. First of all, many thanks to IPR Gorilla for choosing Komal as one of the distinguished winners in this Women in IP. I got to know from Komal that she was supposed to receive the award, but she's traveling and right now in transit, so she couldn't join. A big thanks to the organizers for this wonderful event, and also look forward to being a part of this event in the future as well. We've heard a lot about you guys, but this is the first time we were joining in, so I must say that the experience was good, and a big vote of thanks and good luck to you for future events.
Thank you so much, Sameer, and give our gratitude to Komal too.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sameer.
All right, so let's move ahead. Okay, we are all set to complete our first set of the award ceremony. So I thank everyone to join in here for the first award distribution, and we are very much honored and thankful to Lakshika for joining in the midnight and distributing the awards on the behalf of the IPR Gorilla. So thanks, Lakshika, for your time.
Thank you so much. My pleasure. It's a privilege, and look forward to many more. Thank you so much, and congratulations once again to all the winners. My best compliments to IPR Gorilla for keeping all the winners and everyone in the IPR community motivated and incentivized by conferring these kind of incentives and awards. It's very encouraging. Thank you so much. Big
Thank you,
applause.
Lakshika. Thank you so much. We are honored. So looking forward to have your participation interaction the rest of the day if you can participate. And
Sure.
Looking forward to see you at the end of the day with the surprise awards.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lakshika. Thanks, Komal. Thanks, Sameer and Patricio. Thank you so much for joining in here.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. So let's move ahead to our next session, which is coming up now with the panel discussion, that is how to best protect, enforce, and exploit IP in the AI and IoT era. See you all there. Thank you. So bye from here. Congratulations to all the awardees, and see you again. Ceremony, the last award ceremony of the day. So I would request all the participants to join in here, and we're just beginning up in 2 minutes from now. So kindly setting up the stage and inviting all the participants over here. So I will request my backstage team to drive in all the attendees over here, and let's begin up with our last award ceremony. All right. Let's start. The top emerging IP player award goes to Defeng David Song, partner Phil Fisher. Congratulations, Defeng.
Thank you. Thanks. Very excited to receive this honor.
So, how it feels to be the recipient of the award?
Yeah, I feel it's the whole staying up late for me is worse. It's worse by because I can get this amazing award. So I think this will encourage me to further dive into the IP practice and to continue to be better.
Absolutely. So congratulations again.
Thanks.
Thank you, Defeng, so kindly be here. Let's move on to our next set of awards. Alright, so top emerging IP player award recognition goes to Gianluca Campus, head of legal tech and digital innovation, Sky Italia. Many congratulations, Gianluca. So if you are here, kindly join in here.
I have already given the authorization.
Alright. Congratulations, Gianluca. Many.
Thank you. Thank you so much for.
So how it feels to be the recipient of the award recognition?
It's always a nice thing to be recognized by your peers, and especially in this case, since we are really at a really top international level. So I'm really happy to be here and receive this prize and this recognition.
Many congratulations again, Gianluca. So kindly be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So let's move ahead. So top emerging IP player goes to Tran Nguyen, Patent PL, Gottlieb Rahman, and Wilsman PC. Many congratulations, Tran. So if you are here, kindly join in. So Tran, if you are here, kindly join in for the award ceremony. So Priksha, is she here?
No.
Okay. All right. So let's move ahead. So Amy, you will be joining when you will get the when your name will be announced. So kindly refresh the page and join back again. So let's move forward. So top in-house IP lawyer goes to Farida Saliugello, IP advisor MTN. So Farida, kindly join in here. Many congratulations. Farida, if you are here, kindly join in. So Farida is here, Priksha?
No.
Alright, so let's move ahead. So top in-house IP lawyer goes to Itai Sela Saldinger, Director of Intellectual Property, Playtika. So Itai, many congratulations. If you are here, kindly join in. So kindly ask to share audio and video and be a part of the award ceremony.
We haven't received any request yet.
Okay. So many congratulations, Itai, if you are here and listening. top in-house IP lawyer goes to Rosie Stramanginoli, Head of Commercial and IP, Nutromics IP Pty Limited. So many congratulations, Rosie. If you are here, kindly join in. So Rosie, if you are here, kindly join in. The backstage team, if you can connect to the Rosie and Dragon here.
No request received.
Okay. Right. So let's move ahead. Top IP leader goes to Cleo Davis, founder and managing director, Sparks IP. Many congratulations to you. How are you doing today?
Hi, very well, thank you, and thank you so much for the award. It's great to kind of be recognised as someone that's working on the commercial side of IP in terms of sort of IP software and technology, rather than just kind of the legal professionals. So that's very much appreciated, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Cleo. How it feels to be the recipient of the award recognition today?
Well, very privileged, so thank you.
Thank you so much, Cleo. So kindly be here. Thanks a lot. Many congratulations again.
Thank you.
All right, so let's move ahead. So top IP leader goes to Dr. Joseph Kachung Yab, IP lawyer and manager, Yab and Associates. Many congratulations, Joseph. So you are here, kindly join in.
Already approved.
Okay, he's saying I'm here on the chat box. So Joseph, can you rejoin again or open your audio and video because we can't see you? If you can refresh the page and join back. Thank you, Sonia. Joseph, are you able to join in back? Is he here yet, Preksha?
No request received yet.
Alright, so you can try again, Joseph, because I saw you in one of the sessions. So try back again. We'll wait for you and we'll announce again. In the meanwhile, let's move ahead. Top IP Leader Award goes to Kamal Arvind, Associate Attorney, Merchant and Cloud PC. Many congratulations, Kamal. So you have been the panelist in one of the sessions, so kindly join in here. So Kamal, are you here?
Yes, I have approved his request.
Okay, so Kamal, kindly join in here. Congratulations, Kamal.
Oh, thank you. This was what a nice surprise. I was feeding my kid. Thank you. Really appreciate it. I mean, this has been the people who have been here, and the learning I have had with either my panelists or the other people listening here. It has been great. So again, thank you for organizing this. Thank you for making me part of it, and thank you for recognizing my efforts.
Absolutely. So how it feels to be the recipient of the award recognition, Kamal?
It just it's amazing. I mean, I don't even know the words for it. It just
all right.
Thank you.
Many congratulations, Kamal. So kindly be here. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you.
Let's move ahead. So top IP leader goes to Patricio Maria Albornoz, Senior IP Attorney, Bob Chills. So, Patricio, if you are here, kindly join in and share your audio video to be part of the award ceremony. Patricio is here. Okay, please kindly ask for the sharing and audio and video. So, Patricio, if you can share your audio and video and join in here. Kindly retry it again, Patricio. So we are waiting for Patricio. Kindly join in here. So he has been a top IP leader. Many congratulations, Patricio. Here you are.
Is it working now?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I'm so honored, so proud. Thank you very much.
So how it feels to be the recipient of the recognition today?
Oh, it feels great. It feels great. Oh, I mean, I'm truly honored. I'm truly honored, and thank you for it. Thank you for it.
Thank you so much, Patricio, so kindly be here.
Thank you, and congratulations to all. Congratulations to the organizers and to all the participants. I mean, it's been a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, let's move ahead. So top IP leader goes to William Chiang, Legal Counsel, Law Cloth LLP. Many congratulations, William. So William, can you just open your mic? You are on mute, William. So William, can you just go unmute yourself? So Priksha, if you can hear him, I am not sure if I am able to hear him.
Yes, I'm very pleased to be here, and I'm very happy to share my IP and legal experience with everybody. Yeah, hope all you are safe and healthy. Okay.
Many congratulations, William.
Thanks.
So how it feels to be the recipient of the award recognition today?
Yeah, very great.
Thank you so much, and many congratulations again.
Yeah, thanks.
All right. So top IP managing partner goes to Benjamin Choi, Managing Director, OLN IP Services Limited. Many congratulations, Benjamin. So if you are here, kindly join in here. So Benjamin, if you are available here, kindly share your audio and video and be a part of the award ceremony. Okay, he's here. Hey Benjamin, congratulations. Can you open your audio and video? Benjamin, can you open your audio because we are unable to hear from you? Benjamin, can you rejoin back again because we can't see your video and you are on mute. All right, Benjamin, if you can check it out with the backstage team. In the meanwhile, let's move ahead. Top IP Managing Partner goes to Dr. Dong Hyodoni, Partner Fujay Partners and Alliance from of Maguire Woods LLP. Many, many congratulations, Donnie. So are you here? Kindly join in. So many, many congratulations, Donnie. You did a great session yesterday. So we are missing you today. I'm not sure if you have joined in today. So many, many congratulations. So Preksha, Donnie is available here?
No.
Okay, so let's go ahead. So Women in IP award goes to Antara Gajbhie, IB Manager Corporate Legal Biorad. Many, many congratulations, Antara. So if you are here, kindly join in. So Antara, if you are available here, kindly join in. Is Antara available?
No, I haven't received the request yet.
Women in IP goes to Perpetua Mwangi, partner and head of IP Simba and Simba Advocates. Many, many congratulations, Perpetua.
Thank you very much for this recognition. It's my first time attending IPR Gorilla Virtual Conference, and I've had a wonderful time. Thank you so much to the organizers, to the team. I'm really humbled and grateful for this recognition. And it's my hope that I'll continue doing the work that I do, the work that I love to do each and every day. Thank you once again.
Absolutely, you have to, so that we can, recognize you in every conference that will be coming up. So many, many congratulations, Perpetua. Again. All right, so let's move forward. All right, so we are over with our awards of the day, and let's move forward to the surprise awards. One second. Okay. All right. So let's start with our surprise awards of the day. So we had a great day with a diverse topic discussed throughout the day. And now let's begin up with the best moderator of the day, who has been, able to get the best session of the day, who has been the best speaker of the day, who has been the best attendee for whole day, and of course, who has been the winner of the virtual networking game. So let's see and let's find out now. All right, so let's begin up with our award ceremony, that I would say a surprise awards of the day. All right, the speaker of the day goes to Eliseo Balbo, IP and blockchain specialist from Interpatent SRA, and Gregory Mayer, counsel with Scale LLP. So many, many congratulations to the speaker of the day. So Greg and Eliseo, if you are here, kindly join in here. So are they available here, Preksha or Sonia? If you can let me know.
Request not yet received.
Okay, so will they be joining? So the attendee of the day, who has been active throughout the day, Osato Alao, Partner Group Head, Legal Services and Corporate Communication from Facile Technology Group. Many, many congratulations, Osato. So if you are here, kindly join in here.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Osato.
Thank you.
So how it feels to be the part of the conference today and learning a different sessions that happened today?
It was an amazing conference, and I'm really delighted to be here. Thank you, Greg. You can see your comments. Thank you to all the participants and to all the stakeholders and to all the sponsors. Many, many more things. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Osato. So Greg, if you are here, so kindly join in here for taking your recognition as a speaker of the day. So thank you so much, Osato, joining in here. So kindly be here.
Thank you.
So Greg, if you are here, kindly join in here. All right, that's okay. So many, many congratulations, Greg, as you have received the title of being a speaker of the day. So many, many congratulations. So see you in our next conference. All right, so the moderator of the day goes to Raghavendra Kumar Verma, Group Chief Legal and Compliance Officer, ISON Group. Many, many congratulations, Raghavendra, for being an engagement champion for the session NFT and digitalization. So Benjamin, if you can join back again, you can. So Raghavendra is here.
No, Raghavendra is not here.
Okay. All right. Let's move ahead. So the best session of the day goes to NFT and digitalization, how IP rights should cover these new technologies. And we have the eminent speakers joining were Raghavendra Kumar Verma, Emanuela Truffo, Barrett Spraggins, Omesh Puri, Eliseo Balbo. So any one of them who are available here, kindly join in here to receive the title for the best session of the day. So are there anyone available here? Eliseo, Mesh, Barrett?
No, Mitali, they are not available.
Okay. All right. Let's move ahead. All right, so virtual networking games winner goes to the guesses who are not there because of course he's a winner. So Gregory Mayer, so congratulations. So Greg, if you are here, if you're listening again, so congratulations again for being a virtual networking games winner. Thank you so much, Greg, and we really liked about your, doing the tongue twisting and also the scavenger hunt. So looking forward to see you in our upcoming conferences. Thank you so much. All right, so that completes the award ceremony for the day. Thank you. So kindly join in here for the closing remarks. I would request everyone to open their audio and video, and who are available here, kindly join in here. So I would request everyone to open their audio and video and join in here for the closing remarks. Stephen, Saivon, Chike, and William, Gianluca, kindly join in here. Olambinga, Pichu is already here. Patricio, Osato is already here. Abby, kindly join in here. All right. So I would request everyone to open their audio video. William, can you just open your video? And I would request the audience to join in here. Olympinga, I can see many people, in the session. So if you can join in here for the closing remarks. Okay, Amy, that's okay. If you can unable to join in here. All right. So let's move ahead. So Sato, starting from you, it has been a great day where we have discussed the diverse topics. So what are the key takeaways from the conference?
Well, I learned a lot today. I'm really glad I was here. First of all, there's diversification in IP, data protection, confidentiality. I learned a little about Bitcoins. I learned about NFT. I learned basically a lot of technology. Technology is very vast. And as we proceed, or post-COVID era, there's the need for us to also find a way to acclimatize ourselves with the evolving laws and evolving technologies. So I'm glad we had this conference, and I look forward to more conferences. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much, Sato. Good to have you here on board. So William, what do you think? As you've also attended the whole conference, so what has been the key takeaways from the conference? So William, are you able to hear? You are on mute. Okay, so moving to Arunava. So Arunava.
It was a nice platform, and to interact with the people from different parts of the globe, and to learn and to know the subject of intellectual property laws, the existing subjects and the potential subjects, rather I would say the new subjects of intellectual property laws, the idea and knowledge from different parts of the world, from different parts of expertise, rather I would not say the participants. It's a very good platform. I enjoyed the whole conference and look forward to have such conference in the near future. And thank you all for joining to make it successful, and see you all once again in this platform. Thank you.
Absolutely. So Arunava, I think you were in India, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you are staying up, for a long now, and it's good that it's encouraging you to be a part of the conference for a whole day. So that is as per the EST time. So good to have you here.
Yeah.
So over to you, Perpetua. So what are the key takeaways from the conference?
So all the sessions have really been very informative, from the very first to the last one about patent law harmonization. I've learned quite a lot. My particular one was the conflict between data protection and intellectual property law, which is something I'm actually interested in. So I learned quite useful insights, which I hope to just continue engaging in that space. So overall, it's been an amazing session, and as I had mentioned, I took time off from my vacation just to attend this, and I must say it's been worth it. So thank you to IP Gorilla and everyone on the team who made this forum to be really engaging, interactive, and educative. And thank you everyone, and congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you so much, Perpetua. So moving ahead to Chike. Chike, what are the key takeaways from the conference?
Thank you so much. Well, this is my 4th IPR Gorilla conference, and I want to just commend the organizers for how you keep on coming up with very topical issues to discuss. You don't relent in coming up with cutting-edge topics. I learned a lot. I couldn't attend all the sessions, I must admit, but the one on NFTs, the one that Perpetua talks about, data protection and that conflict, and the other one on blockchain and the metaverse. Those are very interesting topics, including my panel on IoT and AI. And so I just like the fact that the conference Gorilla is is at the cutting edge of IP developments, and I look forward to the next conference. So thank you so much, and keep up the good work. And the other thing I like is the fact that the network keeps on growing. I've seen so many new faces this time around, so it means that you're getting a lot of traction in attracting new participants. So keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chike, for your encouraging words, and I'm sure this will lead us to better heights and better benchmarks for us. Thank you so much. So moving ahead, we are planning to do our next conference in the end of July with the new theme and the new topics. So I would be glad to have the suggestions on something which we can add in our next conference. So any theme, any topic that you would like to add in our next conference, which you didn't got the chance to hear this time. So over to you, Sato. So anything new that you would like to, hear from the speakers and the experts who have joined in, so that we can also have an idea about the topics that are trending in the industry.
Okay, so I would suggest digital payments. So that's a very good topic, as it has to do with the cashless society, and the need to protect the identity of the holders of such cards and such technologies to use to make sure that there is as much as there's the harmonization of the process, there's also the need to secure the payment process from the beginning to the end. So I think that's a good topic that we should look at.
Absolutely. Thanks, Sato. To Aruna, so what do you say?
Yeah, I would like to request to to organize a discussion about the development of non-conventional trademarks in different jurisdictions of the world. I mean, here we get people from different jurisdictions. Development of non-conventional marks are not similar in all the jurisdictions. So at least we can have an idea, like what is the development in each particular jurisdiction. So that could be a good knowledge for all of us.
Thank you so much, Arunava. So what about you, Perpetua?
So with the digitization and of course the age of technology and Web3 as is being called, I'm just wondering whether we are seeing the expansion of not the expansion really, but more like the dying of the territoriality of intellectual property laws, because now it's cut across borders. IP can be, or rather content or works that are protected by IP can be accessed from anywhere in the world. So are we seeing a scenario where we'll probably need universal IP? I mean, I'm not sure, it's just top of my mind in the age of the internet.
Sure, Perpetua. So what about you, Chike?
I think I'll align my thoughts with what Osato said about fintech applications, payment systems, money transfers, technology, and finance. I think that would be a very important area. It's highly developed in our own economy. Osato is from Nigeria, as I am, and that's an area that's really blossoming here. So it might be interesting to see what's going on in other parts of the world. Are there any IP issues involved? What are the rights that need to be protected? Privacy rights, like you said, things like that. Is it possible to get recordings of some of these sessions? Because I'm trying to follow it. Is it possible? Okay. That'll be good.
All right. Thank you so much, Chike. So over to you, William. So you were not here the last time. Last question. So what are the key takeaways from the conference, if you're able to hear me? So William, am I audible to you? All right.
Yeah.
So just want to know that what are the key takeaways from the conference today?
I feel very good. Yeah, because I learned a lot of professional knowledge and experience from all speakers. And I'm very happy to join this conference and also share some of my experience with everybody. And I'm interested in the topic of anti-injunction. Professor Peter shared with us. Yeah, because as we know, mainland China and India also issue industry injunction, yeah, for those plaintiff in patent litigation. And I feel this is a very critical issue, yeah, because if each country issue industry injunction to protect the domestic or specific foreign plaintiff, and then we just want to know, yeah, how to execute the injunction relief, yeah, for those interest party. So this is a very critical issue, and I think maybe more and more countries should negotiate with each other and resolve this question.
All right. So thank you so much,
Okay.
William, for giving your thoughts, and thanks to Ozato, Arun, Perpetua, Chike, William joining in today, and staying up for the late as per your time zone. So thank you so much for joining in today, and thanks to all the speakers and the topics that they have contributed in the IPR Gorilla and making it a successful one. And at the outset, I would like to quickly thank to all the sponsors and partners, that is Italy IP partner Jacobecchi Avocados, India IP law firm partner Lex Orbis, reception banner sponsor Pergament and Sapera, virtual platform sponsor Decoitus, session sponsor Interpatent, associate partners IP March, Kennedy, Leonard Spraggins, Merchant and Gold, Finnegan, Denemer IP Consulting, KD and Associates, Field Fisher, Ecume barristers and solicitors. So we already had Chike here from there. So thank you, and thank you for your support and contribution in the IPR Gorilla Conference today. I would say it would be the evening time in US and early time in China, and also our early time coming up in India. So it's like 4 o'clock, which is called a Brahmurat time here. So thank you everyone for joining in, and I think it's a night time in Nigeria. I don't know what's the time.
It's past 11 p.m. I was actually getting to go to bed, but well done.
All right, so thank you so much everyone, and I would say bye from here, and let's move forward to the networking in the people section, and let's do the networking at the end of the day with the people who are available here, a quick networking. So kindly go to the people section and bye, and see you in our next conference, and we'll keep you posted for our July conference that will be coming forward. And namaste from India. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
All right, so to all the participants who are available here, kindly move into the people section for the last networking of the conference, and looking forward to see you all there. So kindly connect with all the people. Thank you. Happy networking.
Okay.